Hello friends, so in this lecture we will see about the array. So basically you can see here is the array function. See, you can see here the rectangle array, path array and polar array. So basically what is array means you can create multiple number of objects of the similar shape with the help of array. You can see here the rectangular array. So with the help of this rectangular array, you can create multiple number of objects of similar shape in a rectangular pattern. And in path array, you can create multiple number of uh, shapes or multiple number of objects of similar shape in a linear pattern. And in polar array, you can create multiple number of objects of the same shape in a basically circular pattern, right? So let's see one by one. So let's start with rectangular array. You can see here is the rectangular array. So let me click on the rectangular array. Now you can see it is asking you to select the object. So let me select this object, this circular object, right? Now just press enter. Now you can see, just let me click here on the top. Now you can see here, this is showing the rectangular array pattern. You can just control the number of object, the distance between two objects, and many things with the help of this constraint, right? You can see here are total how many columns. You can just uh, increase or decrease number of columns from here. Let me make it as 8. Press enter. You can see now the number of column become 8. You can just increase or decrease the number of rows. Let me make it as 7. See, now the number of rows also becomes 7. You can just manage the things from here. You can just increase or decrease the distance between two objects, right? In for each row and for each column, let me manage. Let me increase distance for column. See, you can just increase or decrease distance based on your requirement, right? So now let me show you this one. This polar, basically what we can say, path array. Just click on the path array. Now just select this object. First, let me show you this curve one. Just let me select this object. Now press enter, and now it is saying select path curve. You just need to click here. Now you can see the number of objects are in a basically in a curve path, right? You now for for this one also you can just you can see here are the constraints. You can just adjust number of objects, number of rows, etc. from here, right? The distance between basically two arrays. Now let me show you this one. This For this one, just select path array, select the object, press enter. Select the path curve. See, now let me show you this last one. Just come here on the polar array, just select the object, press enter. Now it is asking you to specify center point of array. So for this, you can see here the center point coming for this circular portion. Just click here and press enter. Okay, so now you can see from here, here also the constraint present. So from here also you can just increase or decrease number of object spacing etc. You can just control from here, right?